Good afternoon. It is January the 12th, 2017. Time to recap our trading in the various markets today and take a look at tonight and tomorrow's markets. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike actual performance records, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, we came into the E-mini today expecting a trading range. We were pretty confident that there was support 2055 to 2060. They blew right through that on the first move. Stops below 50. When we got down to 2250, we thought that the move would be just about over. Took a long time for that to finish or complete itself. That's E period. And E period, F period on the profile is when you generally expect the AM or moves to be over to the upside or downside. Retest failure plus, monkey trades plus, scratch, no formal setup here for us right here other than a retest failure. This buy produced a little. Tweezers, buy, all these buys produced, and we're winners going to the close. On the last update we said expect to get up to 2265 because we blew through the 58.59. Why 2265? It's a high volume number. That's the attractor right there, and we got there plus some. So again, the assessments of the market turned out. The software turned out and did its job. My assessment of the market was incorrect. I missed support by 5 points this morning. Taking a look at the E-mini today, lower high, lower low. The market can sell tomorrow. And we'll leave it like that. Looking at the F2 screen, it'll show a different take on the market. It'll have with a G split, have a P going up. So the issue is, can we build volume and stay above 65? We have a lot of news tomorrow. PPI plus 0.3, core plus 0.1, retail sales plus 0.7, ex-autos plus 0.5, business inventories plus 0.6, consumer sentiment 98.6. That could come in higher than 98.6. The rest of the numbers have been, in Baker Hughes rig count last week was 870. All this news, if as forecast, comes in as supportive for increased expanding growth. Right now, sell 1, 65.67 in Globex, 69.71 sell 2. Tomorrow's the start of earnings seasons too, and I think we have a couple large banks reporting tomorrow, and a lot of money has poured into banks because they're going to be able to make more money because of raising interest rates. They just can't work the spread at the Treasury. On the buy side, 59 to 61 buy 1, 55.57 buy 2. Okay, tomorrow, pause day auction. We had a week 30-year auction. I thought it was going to be a good one. The auction idea was not correct, but the rally into the auction was correct and enabled us to make some pretty good money. Post-auction, we usually have a pause day. Everybody that wanted to buy or had to buy is in the market, so the cash market's pretty quiet as far as the securities go, and the dealers have to balance their books. So higher low, higher high. This market can trade higher based on F1. F2 is going to give us a different picture when we do the I split. Oh, it's a P if we look at the entire day put together, if we do the I split, we have a new distribution lower. So first sell is going to be 31 to 03 and 7 to 11. On the buy side, 21.25. And if the E-mini sells this afternoon, we're going to have to pay up to get in. And then 13 to 17 for buy 2. Good day trading the bond. The idea that random trading worked early in the session. We did not have a good auction, and so it sold thereafter. So right now the last rotate up was 28 to the buck. So number 1 is 28 to the buck. 3 to 7 sell 1. 15 to 19 sell 2. On the buy side, 16 to 20 number 1. 9 to 13 is buy 1. 29 to 01 is buy 2. We normally expect a pause day after an auction just because the players are sidelined. If the E-mini sells, this market's going to rally. If the E-mini rallies back with some strength tomorrow, this market should sell some more. $1,200 is the tipping point for gold. The second reason to buy gold is inflation is coming back. Been reported in Asia and Europe. Higher low, higher high. We're below 1200 though. That little low volume number right there on the F1 screen. All day long, gold has been pointed lower when you look at the profile. Heavy in a G period. We got the break. So we had a B behind us. We were content to sell. We couldn't take out 1205, 1207. That set up twice for us. So as long as we stay below 1200, this market can sell. 90.92 buy 1. 85.87 buy 2. 98 to 1200 sell 1. 4 to 6 sell 2. Okay, crude had a pretty good day, all things considered. I like the short sun coming in. Did set up and present us a couple of very, very nice trades off the high. As you can see right here, we got a higher low and a higher high, so this market is set to trade higher tomorrow. And while the profile is a B, we did create value higher. So my guess is we probably have a seller at a quarter to a half. Selling 53 and a quarter, 53.50 sell 1, 75 to the buck sell 2. Because of this B, I'm going to be a little lower in the overnight. Buy 1 52.50, 52.75, then buy 2 52 and a quarter, 52 even. And the euro had a pretty good day today. We'll see if they get followed through buying tomorrow. Higher low, higher high. We did get up to 107. Pulled off of that pretty nicely. New distribution down started in H period. So 106.50, sell 1, 75, sell 2, 106 and a quarter, buy 1, 106 even, buy 2. And that's it for this January the 12th, 2017. I'll see y'all bright and early in the morning.